building excellence with care and devotion, nurturing corporate development with innovation. Anhui Boxing Machinery Co. Ltd. was founded in February 2008. It is located in the junction of Jiangsu, Zhejiang, and Anhui provinces, close to Anhui 1 Southeast Bonded Logistics Center, Type B. Anhui Boxing Machinery Co. Ltd. is a comprehensive automotive brake technology company which designs, manufactures, and sells braking system components. We are specialized in developing and manufacturing auto brake calipers, brake caliper parts, and hardware kits, as well as drum brake parts and hardware kits. We are committed to making every car in the world be equipped with the brake components of Boxing, developing the progressive inner strength, adding values for clients, and creating values for employees by persisting in the sense of innovation first, quality first to create win-win cooperation. Boxing is also devoted to making the world fall in love with products of China and pursuing excellence and paying back to society. The company's main products are 1. Auto brake assembly, auto disc brake assembly, beach trailer brake assembly, EPB electronic parking brakes especially developed for the forklift market, and brake assemblies promoted for Tesla EPB. 2. Disc brake repair kit. Disc brake repair kit includes clip repair kit, guide pin repair kit, piston repair kit, and rubber repair kit. The main clients covers Bosch, TRW, BBB, Mando, South Korea, Noble Lift Forklift, CIPE, etc. 3. Drum brake hair kit. Drum brake repair kit includes springs, hold down pin, hold down cup, and adjusters, etc. 4. Piston. Materials of piston includes 20GB T699, SUS 304, 6061, phenolic resin, etc. Our self-developed phenolic resin piston compared with menthol piston, with lower thermal conductivity and anti-static characteristic, seldomly cause the boiling of the brake fluid, thus reaching a better braking performance. 5. Brake pads. About brake pads, our company owns own brand, Sheng. Boxing has set up R&D centers in Shanghai, China, Moscow, Russia, and warehouse center in New Jersey, Jakarta, Bogota City. We strive to meet every requirement of the customers by manufacturing non-defective products. Boxing Machinery has an R&D team, including 3 R&D engineers, 2 mold designers, 5 structural design engineers, 2 material engineers, 3 process engineers, and 8 technicians. The company invests 30% to 40% of its profits annually in research and development of new products and is dedicated to the development and production of automotive brake calipers. Boxing has been specializing in the metal stamping and machining industry for 12 years. The company has independent research and development capabilities for automotive brake systems, especially calipers and caliper accessories, involving vehicle brake shoes, disc brakes, and parking brakes. At present, Boxing has developed more than 200 types of calipers, now keeps developing at least 10 kinds of calipers per month. From 2013 to 2019, Boxing has successfully won awards such as Picked Entrepreneurs, Outstanding Foreign Trade Enterprises, Excellent Growth Enterprises, Member of China Friction and Sealing Material Association, Associator of China National Resources Recycling Association Remanufacturing Branch, and Pattern of China Foreign Trade Export Pilot Index. The company has passed IATF International Quality Management System Certification, ISO 2015 Environmental Management System Certification, The company has applied for more than 10 technical product patents and is applying for 3 invention patents and 5 utility patents. For the sustainable development, in 2018, the company established the Boxing Manufacturing Business School to continuously improve, develop, and enhance the talent reserve of the company. In order to meet the diversified, convenient, and comfortable needs of auto application from the customers, Boxing established an online and offline sales team and a flagship store, Qianxiang Automobile Trading Company Ltd, for car repair, maintenance, and beautification, in order to promote and attendant innovation. In 2017, Boxing registered its own brand, Sheng, which covers multiple products include brake pads, brake shoes, spark plugs, lubricants, oil filters, fuel filters, air filter, etc. The company is making unremitting efforts to build their own product ecosystem. Boxing inherits glory and dreams, fights for progress, strives to be the leader in braking industry to build the world's #1 brand of in-brake hardware kit field. Boxing dream, my dream. Do great things for great love.